Good positioning for Biogents AERO trap. Good positioning is essential for optimum efficacy. Place the trap on the ground, in a humid, shaded place protected from wind and sun. Near plants. More than 5 meters away from the terrace. No wind, no sun. Not directly at the terrace. Route the power cable safely along secure paths and ensure a waterproof power connection. In case the power cable is too short, we offer as accessory and 10-meter extension cable for safe use. Test different locations to find the best place for your trap. Biogents, pioneers in sustainable mosquito control.